awesome. Thank you. Wow, so empty. That's it. Oh, doesn't even look like 5 minutes.
Being famous around the world. Crazy, right? I know. My name is Hannah, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Can't say I didn't warn you. As we're entering the jungle, just a few safety reminders as I drive this boat backwards, not even turning a red once in the dark. You're welcome. Parents, please watch your children. Children, please watch your parents. I don't get paid enough to do anything anymore, so I'm definitely not doing that part. Please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and remain seated for the duration of the trip. If you look over here on your right, you can actually see our first sign of wildlife. They walk around on their hind legs, so it seems they travel in packs, or at least in twos. Thank goodness they're not by themselves. They'll never survive out here. Yeah. Oh, that one's by herself. That's unfortunate. Can I see the future? Anyways, watch out for the little ones, though. They watch out for about 18 to 25 years, just bleed them dry. Sometimes even 40. You might want to watch out for that one. Yeah. Right over here, though, is the Himalayan tiger. Normally Himalayan over in the front or Himalayan over here, but I guess him a stand-in today. It's way more than I do on my days off, so good for him. Yeah, and right over here, looks like I see my friends from high school. Normally I'd say the skipper's on the dock, but I'll get in trouble for that. Yeah, we are now entering the Indian elephant bathing pool. Don't be afraid to take pictures. They all have their trucks on today, which is very unheard of for this group. Just don't get me in any of the pictures. My mom still thinks I'm in med school. I'd like to keep it that way. This right here, though, is Big Bertha. It's why you never want to take too long in the shower. You get cold, wet, and you turn into an elephant. Almost happened to me once. I'm just kidding. I don't take showers. Yeah, that smell is not the jungle, I promise you that. So sorry. Oh, this right here is Squirt. Normally he lives up to his name and sprays down the whole boat, but he's feeling a little under the water today. Come on, Squirt, get back down. You're ruining it. Thank you. Now he's under the water today. Oh. Well, that looks dangerous. Might as well get a closer look, shall we? We are now entering banana country. Go and keep your eyes peeled. We might need a split. Whoa, you see those gorillas? They really are intense, aren't they? It was a lot like my family reunions. This is why I love being at work. I feel a lot safer here. You laughed a little too hard at that. Did I hit too close to home on that one? Yeah? Oh man, I was supposed to hit something else, but I'll take it. Hit some every time. Just ahead of us is Schweitzer Falls, named after our original founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Albert Falls. Don't worry too much about it now, though. We will be going over it later. But we will be turning down the Nile. It was way too loud this morning. Really annoying, honestly. The Nile is the longest river in the world. This goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, I'm sorry to break it to you. You're in disbelief. You thought I was going to say the other one. That sucks. This right here is Bobo. He's an African elephant. He is well known for his short-term memory. Yeah, I wish I had a short-term memory. I wouldn't have to remember any of these cruises. So here I am. Oh. Now right there is Bobo. He's an African elephant. Well known for his short-term memory. Did you know that? Crazy. I wish I had a, Oh, here we have some bamboo. Did you know that bamboo can grow up to 6 stories high? Yeah, some skippers say 7, but that's a whole nother story for another time. Because over here we've got some long-haired horses, some stripy horses, and those ones all the way in the back there, you see those? Those are trees. They're really branching out, aren't they? And over here we have fun fact, that's a lion's favorite drink, the stripy horsey on the rocks. So anyways, man, we found Skipper Felix and his crew. You know, we've been looking for them all morning, but I failed the second that I found out that I'd have to do paperwork if I found them. So let's pretend like we didn't see that, shall we? Don't worry, we already warned them about the rhinos. They always get their point across in the end. But my last group, when we were in this area, they all said, "Hyenas! I don't know what an Ina is, but I guess they were saying hi to him earlier. I don't know. Oh no. Okay, don't worry. I'll scare them off, alright? Go ahead and cover your ears for me. Oh man, that didn't work. I'm gonna have to scare them off like I did to my ex-boyfriend. Alright, here we go. Woo! Man, oh man, I thought I was gonna have to throw commitment in there. But he dropped like a fly after I said I love you. It seems to always happen to me, and I'm not even talking about the hippos anymore. This is awkward. I did hear though my job is so easy a monkey could do it, but they obviously can't love and commit as hard as I can. Oh, well, this is awkward squared, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that one up top's trying to communicate. Econ. Yeah. Me, Hannah. We leave. Let's get out of here. If that's not a stern warning, I don't know what is. Man, that wasn't a back really getting in there, wasn't he? Like me on this cruise, except he's doing a better job at it. Anyways, over here is my two favorite monkeys. That one up top, we named her Annette. She's a real cat, isn't she? The one on the bottom is Fragile. I think that's Italian. Who knew I could speak Italian? I didn't. They really just give each other butterflies. How disgusting is that? Yeah, it really bugs me too, trust me. Oh, here we are, folks, approaching the 8th wonder of the world. The rarest sight you're ever going to see, besides me, of course. I know, thank you. It's the backside of water! Woo! Oh, 2H. Oh, 2H. Oh, 2H. Oh, 2H. I make chemical jokes periodically. Normally I get a more explosive reaction, but I felt no chemistry on this trip whatsoever. So thank you guys so much for that. I really appreciate it. Anyways, I do want to show you one more thing before we head back. Right here is my favorite rock. I actually named him Dwayne. Now you can go tell your friends you saw Dwayne the Rock on the Jungle Cruise. You are so welcome. Oh, okay. Don't worry. I'll get us out of here. What are those things? Oh man, those are hungry piranhas. I don't know how they got here all the way from Hungary, but I'm now waiting around to find out. Don't worry, I did hear on our last trip that they're man-eating, so us women and children, we are okay. I know he's with you, but not for long. So sorry. Yeah. Over here, though, is Trader Sam's gift shop. Don't be afraid to ask any questions, especially about the hats. Skippers are all great at capsizing. Those two monkeys up top there, they've been setting that record for years. Imagine that being your whole entire life. Going around in circles, over and over and over. 7 days a week, 8 hours a day, 7.5 minutes each trip. Cracking jokes the whole entire time, and nobody laughing at them. Yeah, that one single person, thank you so much. This is the scariest turn of all, though. It's the return to civilization. I am so sorry for you guys. When I drop you guys off, I think I'm gonna go around again. And again. And again. Yeah, I like to call that work. Just a reminder, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and remain seated till we come to a full and complete stop at the dock. If you enjoyed today's trip, again, my name is Hannah. If you didn't, well, that is not my problem, is it? Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.